We're watching questions and answers there after a news briefing following what was a mass shooting there in Philadelphia. Joining us right now in the last 24 hours, Rehema Ellis, who's been covering that story for us, as well as Jim Kavanaugh, retired special agent in charge and former hostage negotiator for the ATF. Rehema, a lot covered. What would be the summary of what we learned from this press briefing?
There was a lot covered there, Richard, and first and foremost, the authorities came out and said that this act was done randomly, and it was shooting, and it was perpetrated by someone, as was asked of the officer if they intended to cause harm, and the police commissioner said in summarizing, yes, indeed. They are still investigating and analyzing material, but they said what happened was, according to the police commissioner, it was disgusting and horrifying. It was an abhorrent act of violence. She praised her officers who were responding to a radio call of shots fired. They quickly responded to that, and they helped out some victims who were shot, some officers taking them to the hospital, while other officers pursued the suspect on foot. And they were able to stop that person, authorities say, from firing and injuring and killing more people. So there was a lot of praise for the officers and the way that they behaved and the way that they conducted themselves. They asked for continued patience from the public. They said the investigation is still ongoing, and they said they're very confident that they have the person who committed these crimes in custody. One of the things that they said was they had not yet charged the person. The district attorney came out and said that one of the reasons for that is that the officer who has to, the detectives who have to write the report from which they will place the charges, basically is exhausted. They have been up investigating this tragedy all night long and have not yet had an opportunity to write the report. They want that report to be written with clarity, because that's going to make a difference in how they charge this. But again, they were expressing just the disgust at what had happened, and saying that they know now that the person that they have in custody, according to the district attorney, the person is behind bars, and they don't expect that person ever to be released at all.